Hi everyone, welcome to English with Sepid. This is our second session of this series, so you can find the first session in the link above. Let's get started. So, this session, again, we're gonna replace simple sentences with better sentences. So, let's go. Our sentence is this. Listen carefully. I prefer playing chess. I prefer playing chess. So, let's go for a better sentence for that. Let's change prefer with would rather. So, let's make our sentence. I'd rather play chess. I'd rather play chess means I prefer play chess. I would like to play chess. I'd rather play chess. Now, there's a situation in which we are really excited. So we would say this sentence. I can't wait for it. It means I'm very happy and excited about it. I can't wait for it. Now, let's go for a better sentence in order to replace this. I am looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. It means I can't wait for it. I want to try it right now. I'm looking forward to it. Is anyone there good at climbing? So, I would say this sentence if you're good at it. She is successful in climbing. He is successful in climbing. So, a better sentence for it is this. She managed to climb. She managed to climb means she's successful in climbing. I left my bag home, and now I'm far away from my house. So I would say this sentence. It's useless to return because I don't have enough time. It's useless to return. So let's go for even a better sentence to state this. There is no point in returning. There is no point in returning. It means it's no use. Okay, it's useless to return. There's no point in returning. Forget all about it. There might be a time that I think that I'm useless in a place, in a system. So I would say, I feel worthless. I feel worthless means I feel that I'm not useful. But there is a better alternative to say that. Let's go. I feel like 2 cents. I feel like 2 cents. It means I feel worthless. I feel I'm no longer useful. I feel like 2 cents.